I just lost my drone. I just lost my drone. I've got the worst case of having water stuck in your ear. It's been in there since we went surfing a few days ago, and it's only gotten worse with each passing day. And right now, I can't hear a single thing out of my left ear. Honest to God, this ear thing will be the death of me. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. Great song, fitting song for where I am right now. This is an awesome spot right here, guys. This is right at the end of our road from the VRBO house that we're staying in. When I think of Hawaii, this is exactly what I thought of. Jungle vines hanging from trees with palms dotted throughout, and then sitting right on black rock beaches.
This is us, this is us, this is. I am the sick boy. I am the sick boy. They say that I am the sick boy. They call me the sick boy. Don't believe the narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Made no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself. It is my religion, and they say that I am the sick boy. Easy to say when you don't take the risk, boy. Welcome to the narcissism. We're united under our indifference, and I'm from the east side of America. We desensitized by hysteria.
So today is the day of adventure. Today is the day where we are going to try and find lava. That's right, you've seen it on national news. I've talked about it. Tourism is down because of the toxins in the air and the threat of a major volcanic eruption. But that didn't stop us. Here we are on the Big Island, less than 30 miles from Mount Kilauea, which is the massive volcano. Still bumming out that we can't stay at the house we were gonna stay into on the south end of the island. Apparently that had just amazing tide pools, but we can't access the house because the owner said that the fissures opening up are posing too much of a threat. So basically that whole part of the island is blocked off. But we're still gonna try to go as far down there as we can to see the action. We're gonna go to Volcanoes National Park too, but of course that's closed. On our way down towards the volcanic activity, it's a quaint little local cultured farmers market. So we're gonna hit that on the way down, and then after that, probably hit a few waterfalls if we can. There's 3 in the area that I really wanna see. So we'll either do that today or tomorrow.
Turmeric and the green one is whey, or I forget what it is. It's so healthy for you. They're probiotics.
It's like a smoothie type?
It's like you have to taste it.
These are actually ferments, but these are your turmeric tonic, pineapple, mango, bananas, kale.
Okay.
It's more like a superfood.
Yeah.
Sweet. Right.
Ginger, raw coconut, turmeric.
Ginger and raw coconut
Raw
turmeric.
coconut milk. That's
Right.
exactly what
It tastes like Sri Lankan food, kind of. It reminds me of
the same, yeah, the same
turmeric.
foundation.
Yeah,
That's right. So you do have that experience, right?
that's very good. Thank you very much.
My brother, thank you for trying it out.
Yeah, might be back. What are they?
Lychee.
Lychee?
Try one.
You just can bite into the outer shell?
Yeah. Or you can just peel it off. Oh. You can put the,
Someone
you can put the peelings in here too.
Put the peelings in there.
I like them frozen. Oh, you're supposed to eat the peel.
It's like a grape.
Yeah.
It's like the inside's like a grape, but the outer shell is just harder.
The bark.
Oh, that's neat.
They make the pins out of the bark. Yeah, it's basically like a superfood grape. It's like a grape on steroids. And it's like white and jelly, like a little brain or something, like a jellyfish. I need to wash my hands. Somebody's We getting any more, Dad?
They ripe.
They're red. They're right.
The red.
Is right.
Like
And the
red.
glossy red is really right.
You could eat.
Good to see you. All the shirts are all vintage shirts. They're all made in Hawaii. They're anywhere from 20 years old up to this is like a 65-year-old shirt. If you're only going to pick one, that's the one for sure.
This one?
Yeah. Here, let me help you here.
I like the
Are
red.
you doing a video?
Definitely not.
No, she's just taking pictures.
You sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the
No, he's doing
the red on this.
He's a YouTube guy.
Yeah, is that what it is? No, that one for sure
Aspiring
versus.
YouTube guy.
It even matches those shorts.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Is it long enough?
For sure.
What do you think, Dad?
That one better than that one for you.
Yeah. For me?
I mean, if you were my Ken doll
Yeah.
and I was Barbie, he
looks like a Ken doll.
He does.
It's your
Yeah.
Ken doll.
Yeah.
I like that analogy. Oh, there's a mirror.
See, yeah.
Oh, I like this.
Don't you look like Ken?
Yeah.
See?
I gotta get
Oh my god.
that. Looks just like me, yeah.
It does.
If he had a shirt like this, I'd probably buy the King doll too and have a matching doll. Alyssa, I think I should get it. What do you think?
Yeah. Matches
like
your
it.
pants too.
This was the other one I was considering, but he
I
says
Which one do you like? I
he
like
thinks
this
I should
I like
get
this
this.
one. I could see Dad in this one.
Yeah. What is this? Oh.
Dad, do you want to try on this orange one? I like this one.
My God. All right, Alyssa's trying some now. I'll take this small jar. $2. We made out at this farmer's market. Check out what we got. A variety of different mangoes, a bunch of scuba gear. I've got my vintage Hawaiian t-shirt. I've been looking everywhere for a really cool looking Hawaiian shirt, you know, so that I could fit in and play the part. And last but not least, I've got my green super juice, which is super healthy, super good for you. It's like a full course meal packed into this little jar. I feel like Superman right now. I'm ready to go find some lava. Our first road closed right here, straight ahead.
You have to go left. Small vehicles only.
Military's blocking the road. Doing some off-roading here.
How's it going? Now we're turning around and going back. I'm not going down there, don't worry. It won't make it. Thank you.
You do not want to take that vehicle in there. I guess we'll go down the end of this road, take a left, and see if we get on 132 and backtrack.
132, Dad. We can't get on 132. That's where the road was blocked before.
No, Michael, we came in from this direction. No, is that the direction we came in?
Yeah, that's wherever you turned left, because they had the road blocked right there.
That's just a little community just cut in there.
Look at all these road blockings.
Hippies live back there.
Dad, do you see all the road blockings on the map? Look at this. Unfortunately, I think that this is the closest that we are going to be able to get. And just past this way, we could see the smoke coming up into the air from the ground where those fissures are opening up. So I'm going to fly the drone up right here. Film with the drone. I had no idea until right now whenever I zoomed in on the footage. I didn't even play the footage back after I recorded it, and I've been back from Hawaii for probably 10 days now. As I've been uploading footage and completing vlogs, I don't even look at the future footage. So this is the first time that I was really going into this footage. I had no idea that I got lava at all. Mission accomplished. I am thrilled right now. This is just such a pleasant surprise to find. I just scaled very hard and boom, red shooting out of the ground. Mission accomplished. Hallelujah. Look at this. Boom shakalaka. I'm so excited. So since I've already disturbed the feature presentation, I'm gonna ramble on a bit more. This whole area from where I flew the drone from is now covered in lava. So where it says Kapoa, like under that O, right along that red and purple border, that's wherever I flew the drone from. That's where we were in the car, and all these roads in here were already blocked, as I showed in the vlog. That is absolutely insane that that's covered in lava now. Yeah, I just had to rant about that real quick because I just had to capture that emotion that I was feeling finding the lava on this memory card, on this clip. Whew. All right, let's get back to your feature presentation. Man, I would love to get closer. Oh my God, I just forgot something. Okay, I need to fly it back to me. I don't really have a marker right now, which was a terrible idea. Everything just looks like woodland. Luckily I can hear it in the sky, so I'm just basing it off of that, how close it is. There are a lot of things flying around in the sky right now. Do you hear that? Can't tell if it's a helicopter or a plane. There's definitely a couple of helicopters. Oh goodness. Here come the locals. I just lost my drone. I just lost my drone. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh, I lost the transmission. Holy, it didn't crash. It didn't crash. It's returning home right now. It's returning home. What the heck? It's coming back. Should be coming back. Oh my God. I thought I lost it.
Why?
Because I lost the transmission.
Watch the power lines.
Cancel, return to home. Oh my God.
Watch the power lines.
I know. All right, let's get ready to get in the car. Oh, there's a local looking at us from down the road. Wow. My screen is completely black. Holy crap, I cannot believe I still have it after that. I didn't realize how low I was to the tree line.